For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Mans. These are trade ideas for August 1st, Wednesday's session. First, I'm going to show you 2 of the 4 I gave you yesterday. There wasn't a lot of follow-through, and many of these were follow-through plays. But first, I have up here Twitter. We were looking to see if that couldn't make it down a little further yesterday. Look what it actually did today. It came up to one of our favorite areas, a central pivot, gapped open higher than yesterday's close, hit that pivot and reversed. That would be the signal to ride that down, and you would take it down to yesterday's resistance where again it also bounced. So within a 32.15 to say, even if you did 32.10, caught the ride there. We're looking at your first target somewhere in here, which it did, but then it went on down and you're looking for this support level. So that gave you plenty of opportunity there, and if you are a contrary trader, some of our traders will take them in the opposite direction also. You could have ridden that all the way back up to the pivot. So that was one way to play yesterday's idea for today, in today's session. Another one that was on the plan, and I had told you I was looking to see it might actually be a reversal bar, and I was interested to see it go either way. So here it opens today in line with yesterday's close, but on this central pivot and starts to fall. That's a good sign to trade it down to yesterday's resistance, which is just around another pivot level, which is a great confluence. And then it took off the other way. So again, lots of opportunity in EQT today. So I hope some of you took those ideas and put them to work. Let's look at some ideas for tomorrow. ICE was on our plan trades as well as on our XRV sort of hotshot trades, and it did a beautiful job this morning. It gapped open, actually up by its central pivot. Most of us didn't get in till down here at the entry line, and then it went beautifully just down to the target on the regular plan and to the target again on XRV, which is a little wider because it has a little bit wider of a stop. So I'm looking at this on the daily. If it closes down toward the bottom of this range again, now we have another hour and a half in the market or so. So I'd like to see this bar close down, then we can look for follow through to the downside on ICE. I have a somewhat different idea for HAL. We were looking for Halliburton to go short today, and indeed it did. It only got about 50% to our profit target on the regular plan. That's where we pull our stops down to break even. That's to protect our profits, keep the powder dry. And it didn't make it down all the way, even within 10 cents to the target, which is where we take our profits at 50%. So in any case, this was a zero-sum trade, but you can see it did a really nice reversal. I'm looking at these daily bars and seeing that it is closing in the top of its range. If I pull that on the 5 minutes, you can see what happened here. At some point here we had a gap down, and it has been pushing up against that gap level ever since. Had pulled back, went up, gapped up, couldn't make it a couple days ago. So now I'm wondering, is it going to give it a push tomorrow? So Halliburton, I'm actually going to look to the long side tomorrow. So there you have it, a long and a short to look at for tomorrow's trades. Don't forget to watch your pivot levels during the day. If you're wondering how you figure that out, you got to come to boot camp. Come on down. I hope everyone had a great trading day. Contact me, Julie, at TraderInsight.com if you have questions. Hope you have a great day tomorrow.